Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video we are going to see how to use text to speech in CapCut. So if you want to turn your text into speech in CapCut but without using your original voice like what I'm doing, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end. So open CapCut application, then select new project. So in select new project, you can basically choose any random video of your choice that you want to edit. All right, so I'll select, let me come to the stock videos. Then when I come to the stock videos, I'll choose a white screen. Let me choose a white screen. Then I say add. Okay, so in the white screen, I'll come to text. Then I say add text. Okay, so I'll type in the text. Okay, so I'll say, hello guys, how are you? All right, so that's our text. Then I put a question mark. All right, so I'll put in some style so that you can see it. All right, so that's our text we have added in. So to change this text into a speech, we can come and select this section here which says text to speech. All right, so after selecting that section, remember it is set in English by default. So you choose the person that you want to use or the person that will be in this voice. Okay, so you choose the character. There are many characters. There's Jesse, there's Joe, there's Trickster, many. So I'll choose Jesse. Okay,
Hello
so
guys, how are?
all right, so as you can see, that is Jesse speaking. So I'll say apply to all. Okay, so that's not my voice. It is just an AI generated voice that we have made. Okay, so let's play it again.
Hello guys, how are?
Okay, again.
Hello guys, how are?
All right, so that's how to text to speech on CapCut. If you want to make text to speech, that's how you can make it. Just follow the steps and you're good to go. I hope you found value in this video, please. And if you found value, please leave a like and we shall meet in the next video.
Hello guys, how are?